I was chairman for about 7 or 8 years. 10 years, I don't know.
How come you let it go? Work? How come you let it go? Work?
Yeah, well, you need new people. You need younger people in to bring in ideas and change everything. We used to have, back in the day, all sorts of competition nights up here. Balloon bursting and bombing and limbo and all sorts. We used to have a right old lot. Warbird sessions.
Yeah. Well, that's what I'm trying to. Well, you know, that's why we've got. There's me, Matt, Stephen, and Ken and Josh, and now Jay. You know, we're trying to just bring those little things in so we can, you know, we can do those little things.
Spot landing competitions.
Yeah,
but you can't enter the tundra.
Yeah. Yeah. It's definitely what it needs. It needs that kind of thing.
That's what we used to do every evening.
But we were saying before, when Josh came up here to join us.
I'll get it down now, Stephen.
Josh came up. You're not going to post this on the group, are you?
Why?
Alright, I'll do it in a minute. Josh came up. He was up here for 3 hours. He said he got about 30 seconds on the step.
Really?
Oh, I've lost it now. We were just saying about it, and I said, well, Spectrum and bits. He bought this plane, and I said, well, I've got my Tundra, and he had a Spectrum radio. And we were
box it.
Yeah, just buddy boxing it, just doing it that way. But
yeah, that's what I've done with Charlie's radio. I've buddy boxed it against mine.